Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Plate with Chef Ashton Garrett. Today we're going to be talking about blanching. Blanching is a cooking process that uses a large amount of hot water, boiling hot water, to partially cook the food. We're going to use broccoli florets. We usually use blanching in primarily vegetables. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The reason we blanch is to preserve color, to preserve taste, and to preserve texture. We'll lose a lot of chlorophyll during the cooking process if we don't blanch. Also, it provides for easy and more expedient cooking when we do cook, such as stir fries or something longer such as that. So I have a bowl of cold water here. Ideally you want to have ice, but I'm just going to use cold water. So we have a big pot of boiling water. This is very important. It's also very important that our vegetables or whatever we're blanching is at room temperature. Now, if these were stone cold and they went into the pot, it would reduce the temperature of the pot and we wouldn't be blanching. We'd actually be boiling or trying to boil them. So we have a consistent rolling boil, which is very good. We're gonna add a good amount of salt. Salt is very beneficial because it naturally flavors the food and it provides great texture. So as you can see, our florets are about dull green. We're looking for a very vibrant, very colorful green. So what's gonna happen, I'm going to place the florets into the pot and automatically they just change color. What's happening is the boiling water is reacting to the chlorophyll, the natural chlorophyll within the vegetable, and it's turning it bright green. So we're going to cook these, or partially cook these for about a minute, and we're going to place them into our bowl of cold water. So we're almost done. I'm going to take the broccoli florets. Now you can see that the color has just changed tremendously. I'm going to shock them. This stops the cooking process and it allows for the broccoli to firm back up. Okay, now we shocked it, and we take it out, and now it's ready for any other cooking process. Broccolini is good for grilling. You can braise them, saute them. Thank you again for joining me, Chef Ashton Garrett, on Beyond the Plate, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Pick up a copy of my new cookbook entitled A Few of My Favorites and other exciting Beyond the Plate merchandise that are available for purchase on my website at chefashton.com. Also, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's cook.